Hello friends, how are you? I'm Gina. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I do hope you'll stick around because today I'm going to break open my brand new Arteza watercolor book. I asked for one of these books for Christmas, and I actually got two. My husband went absolutely nuts with Arteza and got me more than what I'd asked for. And I wanted to go ahead and do some journaling. This will be my very first one. As you can see, it is the watercolor paper journal, so that's great. The pages are thick. It should be able to handle, you know, the mediums that I put on it. So I don't think I'm going to have to glue pages together, and we'll see how it goes. And you know, who knows, I might realize later maybe that was not strong enough and I may need to glue. But for now, I'm just going to have faith that it'll hold on to whatever I put on it. But I've got a couple of things around me, really not too much. Some tissues, some woodies that I think might go with some of the tissues, a piece of paper from one of my kits from a previous month, maybe some stamping, doodling. I don't know exactly, but that's the joy of art journaling. I mean, you might have an idea of a way to start, but you just kind of have to go where the page takes you. So I hope you'll stick around and enjoy this journaling video. Before I get started, I do want to mention I recently hurt my wrist. It's kind of my thumb and my wrist, and it's actually quite painful. So if I look like I'm having a hard time tearing or gluing or doing something, you know, my movement looks awkward, it's because of that. So, but I'm going to power through. Hopefully it won't be too distracting and I won't have too much trouble. All right, let's get started. right, I think I am done with this journal page. What do you think? I'm really excited. I like it a lot. And the pages held up really well. you could really tell a difference where I had glued the paper, because the paper, you know, was paper from the kit, and it's, you know, really, you know, pretty thick, so it added a lot of weight to the paper. But overall, I think it held up really well, and I like it. I even like the composition, and that's an area that is always a struggle, at least for me, which is partly why I think it takes me so long, not only to figure out what products I want to use, but also, you know, how I want to try to get it to work together. And I really like this. It felt very natural. I really like that butterfly because I like how it offsets and kind of ties into this color, this kind of brown color. So I don't know, I was happy when I found that one. But yeah, it just kind of came together, and I really like it, and I really had a good time working on it and putting it together. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you've got a journal book that you got for Christmas and you have not used it yet, go get it. It's April. It's the middle of April. It is time to start using our good stuff. And so that's what I decided to do today. And thank you so much for joining me. If you like this video, you can show me by giving me the thumbs up. And I'd love to hear your thoughts and what you think about this journal page. Do you like it? Did you get a new journal book or any kind of Arteza products for Christmas that you haven't used yet? Let me know in the comments below. All right, I hope you all are doing well and are having a wonderful day, week, and year. And that's going to be it for this one. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. One more thing before I go. I think I want to start adding the date to my journal pages. So I think I'm going to add the date right down here at the bottom. And today is April 13th, 2021. There we go. Just kind of subtle, but it's there, and it'll be there for me in the future. All right, thanks. Bye.